when the bed do the entire body.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's a braid out video and how I do my braid out. So for the first part of the video where I actually tell you guys the products that I'm using, what I'm doing and all that stuff, I deleted them by accident. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, I couldn't get it back. It was like permanently deleted. I couldn't find it in my trash. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I had to do a voiceover for it. But yeah, so I'm so sorry that happened. But I was just like, the main thing was that I told you guys the products that I used, so I guess I'll just do that now. So what I'm doing is I just finished washing and deep conditioning my hair, and I just washed out the deep conditioner, so my hair is a little wet but not too wet. So I'm applying some hair oil. I'm using some Jamaican black castor oil and some lavender hair oil and just a few hair essential oils, and then I'm using the As I Am twist defining cream for my braid outs. I haven't tried this twist defining cream for braid outs before, so we'll see how that works out. And when I'm done applying the twist defining cream, I'm going to brush in my hair and then comb it after. So after I'm done with that and my hair is super smooth, I'm going to be braiding down. So for my braid out, I don't really use perm rods at the end. I mean, I do sometimes, but not all the time. So for this video, I didn't really use perm rods at the end. So I mean, you could always do that if you want some more definition on the end, but it doesn't really matter to me that much. So as I'm braiding that, I'm combing out the knots just so I have a very smooth and clean braid. And then after, I'm just going to use a towel to dab out and take away the excess product. So this is the next morning. So I had that for about, I think I had it for less than 24 hours because I did it the day before, but in the afternoon. And this is the, so yeah, this is the next morning, not really in the afternoon. So yeah, less than 24 hours. But I'm just taking down the braids now, and I'm using some, I'll be using a Frizz eliminating shine spray. I'm spraying, yeah, that's what I'm using here, is Frizz eliminating shine spray. I'm spraying that either on my hand or directly on the hair. It doesn't really matter. And I apply some of that on the hair, and then I can take down the braids. I'm guessing it helps eliminate the frizz.
Take it easy on the boy, baby, take it easy on the boy. I know your skin tight, but easy on the boy.
So I'm just going to take down the braids, and then I will be going back and unraveling the twist after. So yeah, and I hope everyone is having a great week. So for my last video, which is the wash and go video with the Cause Unleash called defining cream. So it was a really good video. The hair lasted me for at least 4 to 5 days, and on the 5th day it started flaking, and I feel like it started flaking because of like combing it and all of that, you know, like the products like started coming out from the root. I'm not sure if that makes sense, because on the 1st and 4th day, like the 1st day that I made it and then the 4th day, there wasn't any, I didn't see any white residue. It was like just my hair was there. But then on the 5th day it started flaking, so I'm not exactly sure why that happened. But I just wanted to be honest with you guys, like it wasn't like I had the hair for 1 week for sure, 7 days, but It started flaking on the 5th day, so by the 7th day I had like lots of white residue on my hair. So I'm not going to lie to you guys and tell you, oh yeah, it was perfect, like everything was nice until I washed my hair. No, it was nice from the 1st and 4th day, but then after that I saw some flakes. So yeah, I might be trying it again, but without the gel, and I'm not sure if that would work, but why not? We could always try. Trial and error. After I'm done taking out the braids, I'm going back to unravel the twist. And I think for this video, I'm just unraveling the twist once. I mean, you could always do that more than once if you want some volume. But sometimes I like more definition to volume, and sometimes volume to definition. So it just depends on the mood for the day. So I think for today I wanted more definition to volume. So when I'm done unraveling the twist, I'm combing that out into to whatever volume that I desire. And yeah, for today I'm going to just wear it in an afro, but then the other days I'm going to put them in different styles, and I'll make a video for that too. This is the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And have an awesome week, everyone, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. You like banana, oh girl, I don't tire for your mouth. I don't tire for your mouth. Oh,